I'm appealing, Mr. Bodi, our president. I'm appealing that you should come and listen and hear the plight and the cry of our people. I'm also appealing to the state governor, Mr. Obaseki. You have come before and you give them a palliative measure. What they are saying now is that they don't need a palliative measure. They need a concrete work to be done. A proper design should be drawn. And let the erosions, let the flood be shining out of those areas. So this is not the time for palliative measures. This is time for concrete and formidable project to be done on that road. We have cried enough. We have joined the people. We have joined the citizens. We have aligned. Our voice has been spoken, and it is loud and clear. Mr. Governor, come and help us. Presently, I will talk about the Edo South senatorial representative. If you know you have written letters to the federal government, if you know you have written letters to the state government, you come to the ground and come and identify with the people. And let them know, let them hear your voice. Come and cry with us. Come and let your voice be heard. And let the government know that, yes, you are part and parcel of this clarion call.
My brothers, my sisters, I want to say clearly that what you people are doing, as far as I'm concerned, is the right thing to do when the government refuses to do what have basic responsibility. This is our road. This is the road I follow to my farm. But I cannot access Oloko right now. It is painful that we have a government in place, like you said, and this is not just a federal road. It's one of the roads they call like Trunk A road. It's the road leading from the southwest to the south-south. This is the east-west road. And government is spending money in NDDC for intervention, for emergency reliefs and all that. You'll be surprised to hear the amounts of money that are going into emergency contracts in the NDDC, not to talk of the Federal Ministry of Works. I want to say that I join you. You have my support to get this road fixed. It will take us, every one of us, to draw government's attention to see to it that they meet up with their responsibilities, because this is not anything extraordinary. The access to our homes and houses through good roads is a basic responsibility of government, and government must do it. So I only just came here, like I said, this is the road to my family. You all know me. And I cannot go to Oloko now. And I cannot also tell you leave the road. I can only say government should respond. Like you said, it is true, this is not an Edo State government road. So whatever Edo State government wanted to do here was maybe a palliative support. But for the federal government to stop the state government, how do you stop the state government? They ought to act immediately. On my own personally, we also make some calls to those that we know inside of the government in Abuja. That this road, like, how did my brother say now? He said it used to be Sapele road, it's now Sapele road. It has to be turned back to Sapele road. So I commend all of you, because right now you are the conscience of the society. You are the hearts of the people. You are the one that is crying out the cries and the pain and the bitterness of everybody who uses this road. Not just Iledo indigenes, but anybody who passes through this road to Delta, to Bayelsa, to Rivers, to Cross Rivers, to anywhere on this area. And it's not only limited to this place. The Benin Aochi Road, you can't even pass Ekoma. It's so sad that federal government is abandoning federal roads in Edo State. We have to wake up to it. Our representatives have to cry out, and those in the executive arm from Edo State should also speak up so that these roads are fixed for the good of our people. Yeah. What I will tell you, because I've said now, I will try with you anything you want me to do. Let me know. If I'm unable to do it, then I will back out. But coming here to see you shows that I will try with what you are doing. I am not condemning it. I support you in full force. Don't come and sit down with you from here to the right. No, wait. No, listen. I was going away. You want me to sit down with you? I was going away to the microphone. Come and sit down with you. I was going away to the microphone. Hold on, sir. Before you took the microphone, I was going there to say, I was saying to Governor, when are you coming to sit down here with us? The government does not respond to now on Monday. Yes. On Tuesday, I will sit down with you. On Tuesday, you will be where? Yeah. On Tuesday, you will be where? Yeah.